Welcome in, welcome in. Today we're going to be looking at Akko. Thank you, Akko, for sending me out their latest collab, Akko with HMX. These are produced by HMX. We're going to start with the deeper one. These are the Stellar Rose switches. These are the specs. I've also got it listed down here in the caption there. 3.8 millimeter total travel, so it's still a long pull, but almost near full travel. 4.0 being full travel. 37 actuation, 45 bottom out. The materials are PA12 tops and bottoms with a T5 stem, so that should make them kind of deeper. So this is the deeper one out of the two. They've also sent me some mirrors, and those are meant for foamless builds, which is what we do here. But we're gonna run these ones first. They come in this nice retail packaging, like all the Akko switches. Very nicely packaged. Theoretically, no bent pins this way, as opposed to shipping them in bags. Very nice. These plastic trays also double up as lube trays if you're going to lube your switches. These ones are factory lube, but if you're this is a poor man's beginner's lube tray. You can put all your tops here and then all your bottoms here as you're lubing your switches. Keep them aligned 1-to-1 if you got broken in switches. Pretty good. That's a little hack here to keep your Akko trays for lube stations. We're going to be putting them in the Neo65 with a carbon fiber plate. No foams, just to see how these switches actually sound. I'm sure if you foamed it up, it would be very thocky, creamy, but I'm going to run them no foams and see how it goes. Stay tuned. All right, so these switches, they're pretty smooth, pretty polished, kind of like Akko cream yellows or Akko blues. If you've ever touched their plastics, that's kind of what it feels like. It's very smooth, very polished, very nice actually. This nice pink color, nothing crazy. Very nice. See how they sound in the Neo65. Caps, we're going to put on some Inakuma. I think the legends are like beige or cream colored. Will go well with this milky white Neo. With any luck. $625. These sound pretty clacky. I guess we'll see on the final sound test. At least only on this side. Stay tuned. Please excuse my ghetto editing here. Too lazy to fire this into CapCut and do a proper edit. I'm just doing like a old school hit pause edit as I load this up. Look at this. This whole row is jank. This has to move over one. I'm missing a C here. Weak sauce. Pretty good. Pretty good. Let me turn off this one light that helps with the glare. So it's blue with cream legends. Pretty good match with the board here. So we've got Akko, manufactured by HMX, stellar rose switches, Neo65, carbon fiber plate, no foams. Here comes the sound test. Let me just plug in the wire here. All right, let's see how she sounds. Wow, new personal record. 125 words per minute. Set with the stellar rose switches on the first try. Sound pretty good. Here come the mods. Honestly, pretty good. Better than I thought. If you're looking for something very smooth, obviously I can type super fast on them for some reason. Most likely due to this 45 gram bottom out, 37 operating force. Give these Akkos a shot. Pretty good. They're on the deeper end, a little quieter than normal, but pretty good. Let me know what you think.